Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to talk to you for a little bit about uh, how to make money texting. That's right, texting. Now, some of you guys might be saying, Nettie, I haven't seen you in a little while. Are you still making money with this? And my answer is absolutely, absolutely yes. Okay, I have been, I must admit, pursuing another venture, which you can also see on my channel, My Econ. Okay, and I've been getting that up and running, but Digital Processors Inc. is still paying me. I am still getting paid. And here's how, folks. Here's the beauty of it. Okay. I've got so many texts out there. I've got so many videos out there that people are seeing my information. All right. And I can have money pop into my account in the middle of the night. Yes, yes, yes. So it still works. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'll tell you why. Because it is a instant pay system. That's right, a instant pay system. And it doesn't get much better than that. You get paid $25 straight to your PayPal, okay? For every text that you send, okay? For every text that you send. So instant pay always works good with me. Okay, the text message is pre-written. All right, you get paid instantly. There's no monthly fee. So I like systems like that. Um, I also have some others that pay, once a week, something like that. But it's beautiful when you can get paid member to member directly, instantly, instant cash into your PayPal. So I would encourage any of you out there who's looking at this video, who may be looking for some extra income. You want to make an extra 50, 75, 100 plus per day, then this is the way to go. It doesn't get any simpler than this. If you can send out a text, which we give you the text to send out, okay, and use your thumb, send out the text, and bada boom, bada bing, money, money, money can be hitting your bank account, your bank account. So I always like to ask the question, why not you? Why not now? It's so simple. I mean, it's a no-brainer. $25. I mean, if you got to think about $25, that means that you really need to be in this program. You need to be in it worse than anybody else. Do whatever you got to do. Go to the pawn shop, sell something on eBay, but you need to get in this right now so that you can have money popping in your account at night while you're asleep, while you're asleep, while you're asleep. Don't you want that? At night while you're asleep. You want money. You want money. You need money. The kids, back to school is coming up. You need money for that. You want some extra makeup. You ain't had makeup in a while. You want some makeup. You need some money for that. You want to, dudes, you want to buy some tool out there. Yeah, you need some money for that. You like the latest technology. You need some money for that. So why not you? Why not now? Do something so simple. You can do it right from your home. It's very simple. If you want to do it like me, I'm doing it online too. I mean, a video lasts forever. Videos last forever. They last forever, and people see them, and then they boom, boom, boom. They buy. They buy. I'm asking you to get on board. Get on board the train. I'm going to leave my link below so that you can have money while you sleep. Talk to you later. And if you like my channel, click subscribe. Click subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.